Welcome! So, you want to become an algo trader? Yes, that's entirely possible. As an algo trader, you can automatically trade markets and generate profits. The only things you need are historical data, a trade algorithm or a strategy, and then you can start making profits. Easy, right? Let's do a quick reality check. Algo trading is not easy. Mastering this skill requires a lot of work, dedication, advanced computing skills, and specialized knowledge. It takes months or even years to become proficient, and it's not for everybody. Becoming successful in algo trading, also known as system trading, is like solving a complicated puzzle with many different pieces. Essentially, it involves dealing with various distinct problems that need to be solved. For example, you have to figure out what tools to use to automate the process and how to test and validate your systems. The main thing is that you have to solve all these challenges. There are no exceptions or shortcuts to success. But before you start, you need to lay some fundamentals. In this case, you need to understand the entire process and gain some basic knowledge. It's similar to back in school, remember? In order to solve a second-order differential equation, you first need to learn how to perform simple addition, right? So, before investing thousands of dollars in your education, it's important to determine if algo trading is the right fit for you. That's the primary reason we've created this introductory course. In this basic course, you will learn the following things: how, and more importantly, why algo trading works, understanding probabilities and statistical significance in trading, how to validate and select strategies, proper risk management, and the truth about small accounts. What kind of results can you really expect in trading? How the trading business model looks like. And finally, how to start developing your own trading systems. After completing this introductory course, you will have a basic understanding of algo trading and be better prepared to avoid common mistakes made by beginners. This will accelerate your progress in your trading journey and potentially save you a significant amount of time and money. Strong fundamentals and a grasp of basic concepts are always essential for success. We genuinely believe that the materials presented in this basic course will assist you in making an informed choice about whether algo trading is a path you wish to pursue in the coming months. Regardless of your ultimate decision, we are always here to support you. We will be delighted to answer any questions you may have at any time. The decision you make today can shape your future. Enrolling in our introductory course is a small investment in your knowledge and skills that can save you your money and time, and we really believe it will put you on the right path to successful trading.